How to replace a double-sided tooth synchronous belt. After 1000 hours of operation. Step 1. Prepare tools. Prepare the above tools. Step 2. Remove the slider component and blade. Turn off the power and open the machine head. Cover to find the belt. Pull the belt to rotate out the fixed slider component and screw. Remove the screw and the blade. Remove the screws and component. Remove the new blade slider component downward from the guide sleeve. Step 3. Remove the belt. Remove the 2 screws and take off the component and belt. Step 4. Install the new belt. Install the new belt and adjust the counterweight blocks, ensuring both sides are upward. Install the belt with the vibration box pulley downward. Be careful not to tighten the screws. When installing the components, use a wrench to tighten the belt and tighten the screws again to complete the replacement. Step 5. Reinstall the component and blade. Insert the new blade slider component through the guide sleeve. Tighten the screws connecting the small shaft and slider assembly. Reattach the blade to the slider assembly and secure it with screws and tighten all screws. The double-sided tooth timing belt is now complete.